In the following tutorial modules, you will learn about the 4 methods to publish content to players. In the previous tutorial, you learned how to set up players to receive content from bsn.cloud. Alternatively, you can set up players as standalone units, connect to players over a local area network, or use a private web server as a publishing point. One of the easiest ways to get your player set up and running is to set it up as a standalone device. The advantage of this setup is that it doesn't require a network connection. But this means that each time you want to publish new content, you will have to publish the presentation to an SD card and manually load it onto the player. While this method is useful and convenient, if you have multiple players to manage, it can also get tedious. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up a BrightSign player as a standalone device using the desktop client. First, open the desktop client of BrightAuthor Connected and click on New Device Setup. Name the package and device, and then add a brief description. You can choose the player's time zone and idle screen color. It's good to set this to a color other than black so you can tell when a player is outputting a video signal. Then, select Standalone as the device type. Now, click on the orange Save Setup Files button and save the files to a blank SD card. Make sure your card is exFAT formatted. Next, insert the micro SD card into the player. Reset the player, and once the player boots up, your display will read, "Standalone setup is complete. You may now remove the card." Now you're ready to publish a presentation by saving it directly to an SD card and then loading it onto a player. Watch the following tutorials on building and publishing presentations for details. Thanks for watching this tutorial on standalone player setup.